Okay, so depending on whether you're doing a snowman or a penguin, I wanted to give some of you the option. I know we did swirls with some of you, but I'm going to give you the option if you wanted to turn your paper over and do this design instead. You can actually do this, and I'm going to show you how to create this really cool look also. I like this. It almost looks like he's the star of a show or some type of starburst or something behind him. I liked this. So so whether you're doing the penguin or the snowman, it doesn't matter, but this is what we're going to do, and this is how I'm going to show you how to do this. Of course, this is going to be covered up by your penguin or your snowman, but since you already see the warm colors, I think I'm going to do one in the cool colors, the blues, the greens, and the purples. So to create that look, what you're going to do, the very first thing you're going to do, it doesn't matter which color, you are going to have your paper hot dog, and you are going to put a dot in the center of your paper. It doesn't matter what color, because you're just going to cover this part up anyway with your little snowman or penguin. All right, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to always start from the center, and I'm going to move out, and I'm going to go all the way to the end of the page. So you can start anywhere you want, and I'm just going to lay blue in all the places that I want blue. So I'm going to lay blue here, here, and if you notice, I'm going all the way to the tippy part of the page, and I'm starting at the dot. It's almost like a spider. I want you to think of a spider if it had straight legs. Okay, all right, and I like this. Maybe I want one more blue here. Maybe I want a blue here. Okay, now I'm going to pick up another color, and I think I like this green. Again, I'm going to start from the center, and voila. I also like balance, so I'm going to kind of make sure I have enough green that goes all the way around. Perfect. And now maybe I want to do some purple. I suggest you use at least 3 different colors. So I'm just going to go into these empty places, and I'm going to lay this purple down. Perfect. Anywhere I see the white places. And then I haven't used this dark green. That is also a cool color. So maybe I want some dark green in here too, where I see a lot of this white. And try to keep your lines as straight as you can and make sure you go all the way off the paper. And I like that. You don't have to be perfect, but I like that. Look how it almost gives a 3D effect. And then of course you will put your snowman or your penguin right there in the center. If you're doing penguins, you will be using warm colors. If you're doing snowmen, you'll be using cool colors. Okay, fun.